Muling iginiit ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na walang jurisdiksyon ng International Criminal Court na mag-iimbestiga sa bansa. Ayon sa Pangulo, itinuturing niya itong banta sa ating soberenya at hindi anya tutulong ang pamahalaan sa kanilang investigasyon. Gayunman, aminado ang Pangulo na may karapatan ng ICC na bumisita sa Pilipinas bilang ordinaryong tao.
Let me say this for the 100th time. I do not recognize the jurisdiction of ICC in the Philippines. In fact, binabantayan namin sila, making sure that hindi sila that they do not come into contact with any agency of government. And if they are contacting agencies of government, na sasabihin yung whatever, policeman, local government, sabihin nyo, wag niyong sasagutin. Yun ang sagot natin, that we do not recognize your jurisdiction, therefore we will not assist in any way, shape, or form any of the investigations that the ICC is doing here in the Philippines.